Good morning, Ipil Ipil, once again. Happy Friday to everyone, especially to Francis, who is here with us today. I am already recording this session, so for those of you who will be viewing this, I hope you are in good health and in a very good disposition. You are happy and continuing to accomplish all your tasks and requirements. Thank you so much for always working hard, and may this Christmas season bring you more joy and more blessings. Okay, Francis, good morning once again.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, now remember last time, Francis, what we discussed? We talked about the use of the comma, right? When or how or where you're going to use the punctuation mark, comma. Okay, now on the Google Meet chat, you can see there a link, Francis. There's a link there. Can you see a link in our chat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you click that link, Francis. Actually, that's an online quiz. That's an online quiz to test whether you know how to use correctly a comma. So what you'll do, just take that quiz, and then after that, you submit your score, and then you take a screenshot, okay? Screenshot ang imong score, and then isend din sa atong group chat ang
Asa
imong
ibutan, sir, sa papel?
um that's an online quiz.
Oh,
So imo i-screenshot imong picturean din imong score, no? I-print screen. I-send din nimo sa atong group chat sa atong messenger sa Ipil-Ipil. Okay. So
okay, sir.
so I'll give you 5 minutes to finish that one. Okay, your timer starts now.
Sir, nasi Ramsey, sir.
Kanang Sir Jigger. Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, Rimsey. Okay, so Rimsey, there sa atong group chat, dili sa atong chat sa Google Meet, you will see a
Yes.
link. Okay, you
Ay,
click that
sir.
link. Yes.
Bago pa magkakuan, pwede ni mo isend siya balik kay di man na siya mo appear basta bago pa lang.
Okay, naara siya. Okay, there. Nasa atong group chat, nasa atong Google Meet chat, na ay link din ha. You click that link, and that's an online quiz for the use of the comma, how you're going to use the comma. You take that quiz, and after that, once you have your score, screenshot imong score, isend dayon sa atong group chat. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige.
Sir,
Yes?
sir. Nakoy
Yes.
mangutana, sir.
Unsa
Like
man?
nakahisgot man gyud si Ma'am Godin kagahapon about grades lagi na mo.
Yes?
Pwede ano man si Ma'am nga kuha naman daw na isabara ay nagkuhan siya gahapon kung unsa nga subject pero wa siya nagsaba kung pila yung grado exactly kay ana siya nga sa mga subject teacher daw na ninyo. Pwede na ko may balang ako, sir?
Pag makuha ni mo imong card, may baka ni may mga grado. So you wait for the time that your
Ah,
card will be released, okay?
ano sa
Uh,
mag-release, sir?
by next week, mahuman checking ang mga cards na ninyo, i-release na din na sa inyo mga teachers. So once you get your card, and then that's the time you can, um, you will know your grades, of course.
Sir,
Ah,
kanon
okay,
sa
sir.
kuha ang card, sir?
Wait lang mo sa announcement once ma-check, once the checking will be done. Okay? So wait for the announcement from your teacher, advisor. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sige. So you can begin taking that online grammar quiz now.
Sir Jigger, sir.
Okay, hello, Ipil-Ipil. Okay, for those karon lang nag-log in, okay, please take that online quiz. And then after you take that quiz, your score, ipictura ninyo, screenshot, and then send it to our group chat. Okay? Thank you. Sige lang, I will extend the time. Okay, karon pa man mo nakasulod.
Sir, i-continue pa ni sir or delete na? Sir,
Yes, Francis?
i-continue ba na ako ni sir?
Oh, padayon lang, padayon. Continue. Napay sumpay dana. 10 items na siya. Okay, humana ba tanan answer? Kamura man sa day Rimsey and Reven and Francis. Reven, humana answer? Are you done answering? Please send me the screenshot kung na. Francis already sent. Thank you, Francis. Okay, thank you, Rimsey. Thank you, Jolly. I have received already your score. Okay, now you notice that in the answers, it gives you an explanation. Did you try to understand and read the explanation after each item? It explains there the reason why or how we are going to use the comma. So review those notes because they are a part of the rules or part of the guidelines on how to use the comma. And also, please take note there in our worksheet. Di ba, I sent you worksheet handouts or katong mga sample. So
Yes, sir.
it also has some guidelines or some of the rules for the use of the comma as a punctuation mark. And that will be part of our exam. On Monday is our exam, and we're going to have lessons 7, 8, and 9. So lesson 7, 8, and 9 will be our coverage for the exam. As the usual practice, test 1 will be multiple choice. Test 2 will be about the grammar, especially on the use of the comma. And then test 3 will be explanation or answer a question. So that will be again, coverage of our exam, lesson 7, 8, and 9. And then test 1, multiple choice, test 2, grammar, and then test 3, explanation. Is that understood? Did you understand my instructions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good to hear. Thank you so much. Okay, so this morning, what we'll be doing is a writing activity. Now, if you noticed, I shared our Tech Teach Lesson 9 writing topic page on your screen. I hope you can view that one. So, Lesson 9 writing topic is about free writing. Free writing. So, what is this free writing? And what is the benefit or the good use of doing a free writing activity? So free writing is a technique that we can use when we are going to search or look for ideas before we write a particular article or a particular essay. This is used by writers, especially when they don't have anything else to write about, when they find it hard to look for an idea of a topic that they can write about. So, free writing is a very enjoyable activity because, as the term itself says, it's free writing. So, in free writing, you just do the following. Number one, prepare a piece of pen, pencil, or paper. And then, when your teacher or facilitator will say start or begin, then you write everything down. You write what comes into your head, what comes to your mind. Whatever it is that you can think of, just write and continue writing. Even if you're writing in Bisaya or mixed, just write anything that you want to say. And when the teacher will say stop, then you stop writing. And then after that, we will evaluate, you're going to evaluate which among your free writing result will be a good topic for you to write about. Because sometimes we fail to look for a topic. No? If we are asked to write something, we will find it hard to look for a topic. So for us to have okay, easier ways of finding a topic, we will do a free writing. And after that, you identify your topic because your topic belongs to you. It means that it is from your own interest, from your own like, or from your own likeness. So that's the beauty of free writing. So we will start or begin that or try to do some free writing this morning. So first, I'd like you to get a piece of paper. It could be a notebook or a paper and a ball pen. Okay, have it ready with you there. Okay, do you have it right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Francis, good. What about Jolly?
Wait lang, sir.
Okay. What about Raven?
Sir, pwede your pencil, sir?
Yes, you can use a pencil if you want to.
Oh,
Okay.
ready na po, sir.
Okay, good. So for those of you who are watching, those of you who are not online today, you can also do the same. No, you can get a piece of paper and you can get a piece of pen or pencil. Now, I will give you a time. Okay? Let's say I'll give you 7 minutes. Now, in 7 minutes, you will just write. Sulat lang gid pagsulat. Walay undang
Kasi,
pagsulat. Bisan
kasi
unsa,
sulaton namo, sir.
bisan unsa imong isulat, whatever comes to your mind, Francis. Kung unsay nasa imong hunahuna karon, just write it down. Isulat lang gid siya. Okay. Sulat, sulat,
Pwede
sulat,
mga
sulat.
history, sir?
Yes, basta kay kung unsay nasa imong hunahuna. Kanang karon gid ba pag sulat nimo diya unsay nakabutang sa imong hunahuna isulat. And when I say stop or it's time's up, undang na din kag sulat. And I want you, pag ingon akong stop or time's up, you take a picture, picturean nimo imong paper, and then isend sa atong group chat. Okay? Is it
Okay,
understood?
sir.
Okay.
Group chat, sir?
Karon na, wala pa ko nag-ingon na start. Wait lang, wait for my signal. Okay. I'll give you 7 minutes, okay?
Sir, kanang kailangan ang pagsulat sa sir dili nga mga kailangan na
Unsa man?
tarong Japon sir dili nga mga naikuris-kuris dili ang
Oh,
inana
ayaw.
sir
Oh.
da.
Ayaw pag kuris-kuris. Straight lang pagsulat diretso. Ayaw pag undang pagsulat. Di lagi ka mag-undang pagsulat. Padayon lagi pagsulat. Ayaw pag erase imong mga words.
Balag marong grammar sir.
Bahalag marong grammar. Bahalag marong spelling. Basta free writing. Free. Libre na tanan. Libre nga ro spelling. Libre ang wrong grammar. Kay free writing. Dili pa man na siya tininuod yun. Kani siya, a free writing activity is kanang mangita pa taog topic. Okay? Pangitaon pa nato unsay imong pwede sulatan na dayon og paragraph or essay. Understood? Okay, sige, ready? Timer starts now. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and time is up. Okay. Stop writing, stop what you're doing, and I want you to take
Yes, sir.
a picture. Okay. Okay. So stop right now.
Sir.
Okay,
Wait lang,
stop what you're
sir.
doing. Okay, go. Stop. Stop writing. And
Kapag ikaw na
then take a picture. Okay, take a picture of your paper and then send it to me. Send it to me. Raven, karon pa ka naka Raven, what you're going to do is free writing. Sige na lang, Raven. Later, pag na-record na ni ang video, I will send it in our group chat. Ma-upload ako ni siya so you can find and look for the instruction what you're going to do. Anyway, nakasample naman si Rimsey and si Francis. Okay. Okay, please send to my messenger your free writing activity. Thank you. Thanks, Rimsey. Received it already. What about Francis? I
wait lang,
hope
sir.
na-send na. Okay, magulat ko ha. Wait lang. Sige lang, Francis, wala para ko na dawat maybe karon to.
Mana, sir.
Thank you, Francis. I already received it for a while. Ako sang i-download. Okay, so these are the sample of the free writing activities of your classmates. I will try to share them. Okay, I'll share this first. Okay, I hope you can see this. This is an example of a free writing. So what we do in free writing is just we're trying to get okay some of the ideas that you might be able to write something about. Okay, for example, I'll read this. Okay. Hi guys, my name is okay, I live in Barangay 22, A, Porok 6. My hobbies is watching K-drama. I like I like darkness because it keeps me calm. What joins on I like it? Would you rather eat king cares than uh, to the I don't. Ha ha ha. Okay. Fun here. Okay, so it's like this. Free writing is like this. You just write what you want. Okay. When I grow up, I want to be a seafarer to help other people in other country. So many actors is handsome like Win and Nam Joo Hyuk. Okay. So we have Win Mitawin and Nam Joo Hyuk. Okay, so from here, we can actually get some ideas for topic. So for example, atong pangitaan na sa topic dani, nga pwede masulat kani siya nga writer. Okay. For example, okay, kani, sorry, K-drama. K-drama is, okay, K-drama is an interesting idea. Okay, so pwede kani, si K-drama. You can write something about K-drama. Or you can write something about Nam Joo Hyuk. Di ba? Or Win Meta Win. Di ba? So, from there, from that, bahalag walay klaro nga pagkasulat, you can see nga na ay pwede ni mo himanong topic. Like, watching K-drama. What about watching K-drama? What do you like about K-dramas? Or which K-drama do you like? And why did you like that story? Or Nam Joo Hyuk. Why do you have Nam Joo Hyuk as your favorite actor, as a handsome actor? What are his works? Unsa iyang mga talents or skills? Or you have here also Thailand. You mentioned Thailand. What's in Thailand? Why is the BL series so famous in Thailand, international? So kana siya, nala kay mga pwede masulat nga topic dayon nga pwede na nimo i-develop into paragraphs. Did you see what I mean? Sa free writing, maka-generate ta, makapangita ta og pwede na to mahimong topic. Okay, let's have another one. Let's open another one, okay? Okay,
Yan ay
so
basa, sir.
okay, this one, for example. Very nice handwriting. I love the handwriting for this one. Okay. Okay, about steam engine history. By the beginning of the 19th century, steam engines exist for decades, providing power in machines, and all changed since 1932. Penny Dion has a company in iron, and he made the world's first steam engine. He called small engines Penny next of his name. Okay, for example, for this one, what could be a particular idea that we can write a topic about? Sige. So we can choose, actually, machines. We can have machines. Okay, what are machines? Or steam engines. What's a steam engine? You could create this one as your topic of choice. Okay, what are steam engines? Okay, or what are these machines? Okay, or for example, um, the iron. Why is iron important in building machines? So we can actually um, get an idea from this very small free writing na ay pila na lang ka mga lugar sa idea nga pwede nimo masulatan ng paragraphs that you can develop into a paragraph. So, bisag ka ng inyong gisulat mo, feeling ninyo wala siya klaro at the first instance, pero nana kay makitaan na pwede na nimo mahimong topic. Okay, so that is how you do with free writing. It's very important to consider that you're going to write freely. Kanang you just write continuously, and then after the time given to you, you stop. Because after you stop, you will see from your paragraphs or sa imo na nga sulat, dito na din mo makita what's the common idea that you can write something about. Okay, understood. Francis
Yes, sir.
and Jolly,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so no, from the sample, so Reven, I hope Reven can get it. So pag makita nyo dito, you just write. And for those who are watching this or who will be watching this, you do free writing. No? Kung maglisod mo unsaon pagsulat, no, kung wala mo idea or topic, you do free writing because sa free writing daghan kaayo ideas nga mag-flow gikan sa inyo, and when those ideas will come out mugawas siya pinaagi sa inyong pagsulat lang, makita din ninyo nga hala daghan mo koy topic nga pwede masulatan. Di lang kay K-drama, pwede sa ko magsulat about sa Thailand, or pwede ko magsulat about sa machine, or mga invention, or mga gadgets. So that's the beauty of, okay, free writing. So kung na may mga writing activity, bisan dili sa English, also in Filipino, also in other subjects that you will write, no? It's good to have those. Okay? Sige, any question?
Wala, sir.
No,
Okay, so
sir.
actually, that will be our only topic for this morning because um, we have already taken our coverage for the exam. So don't forget, ang atong coverage is lesson 7, 8, and 9. No? Our grammar review, kana atong mga
Kasi
grammar
module, sir.
review. Sa
Module 1.
module 1, o module 1 pa man pa. Okay? Sige.
Sir, yun, sir, kanina mo mga activity last week, sir?
Ang inyong activity last week, katong akong ipadala about sa kama lang gihapon. Katong na ako gisend sa atong group chat.
Katong link
Oh,
ay katong kama,
oh,
sir, nga kuan.
oh, na worksheet dadto. Kato siya,
Sir,
studyhin to
ako na lang
ninyo.
mga kuan, sir.
Ay,
Ato
manaman
mo
ko,
tong
di
cancel.
ba nakasend na po, sir,
Yes,
ato?
nag-send dayon mo dadto balik. Okay? So, just review that. Sa atong group chat na dito atong mga link na sa atong mga klase, ato man ang gina-record, it's video recorded. So, for those who will be watching this, don't forget follow up gid mo sa atong group chat, no? Kay sa atong group chat naa dito ato mga video, ang mga recorded nato, plus ang akong gipangpadala nga mga links dayon. Okay? Sige. So, thank you so much for always joining. This is our Jolly. Please turn off your microphone, please. Okay. So, thank you so much for joining. Um, 2020 was not so good, but always remember to always pray. May the Christmas vacation bring you more reflection and make you realize that you have to work harder, especially in your studies, especially in the new normal. So, if there are any questions, please do not hesitate to message or send me a message in our group chat or to me personally if you have any questions also. So, God bless on your exam. I hope you will review and study well so that you can answer and enjoy your Christmas vacation. Huh?
Okay, sir. Salamat.
See you next year. I'm so happy, especially for Francis, for Jolly, for Raven, and for those who always join our class. I hope next year mas daghan pa mo appeal sa every Friday because I want to hear also from you so we can exchange ideas and so you can also get some more learning or knowledge. So God bless everyone. I hope you stay safe and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Don't forget to pray always. Okay, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Merry
God
Christmas,
bless.
Francis. Merry Christmas, Jolly, Raven. God bless you. Okay, just wait in our group chat.
Bye,
Ako rin
sir. Happy
send.
weekend.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
I will be
Bye.
sending the videos later.